Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, running boards, remote keyless entry, door edge guards, rear window defroster, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.